Hello everyone, Habibi here. On my previous video, I failed to instantiate this gun prefab right on the hand of this player object. But now I think I found what was the problem. The problem is here I should not type weapon.transform.position, but instead I need to use this weapon. Here I have this weapon placeholder. I should use this weapon placeholder. Weapon placeholder .transform.position instead of this weapon that I instantiated. So I place it here. I pasted it here and also here. And now I don't think I need these two lines, so I will remove them, and let's see how is the result. Come on, Unity, click the play button, and now I have the weapon here. The next problem that we need to solve is the orientation of this gun. It is facing that way, same as the weapon placeholder is facing. You can see the blue axis here, the z-axis. Both weapon placeholder and the prefab gun is facing that way. So to solve it, we need to redo the process of creating the prefab. I open up this resources folder and I will place the prefab gun again here, and here, hang on, I need to go inside this prefab mode. Alright, I will place it here as a child, and I will reset the transform. Click reset. Okay, it should be initially the position of the prefab gun is like this. Let me delete this prefab, and I right click on this object and prefab unpack completely. Here I need to go inside, and inside this prefab gun with this default value of position 000 and rotation 000, I need to create another child object here. Create empty gun mesh. Yep, gun mesh, and I paste everything, the two cubes inside this gun mesh. This gun mesh has that transform, so I will rotate this gun mesh according to the position and the rotation and the orientation of the hand as I see it fits. For example, this way. This gun is too small because the character is scaled down, so the gun as its child is also small. Okay, I think it is fine. The prefab gun object has 000 position and also 0 rotation, but the mesh has its value that fits the position and rotation here in this place in the hand. Now I can create the prefab. I drag and drop the prefab gun, then I delete the prefab gun object from the hand. Then I can try to execute the script by clicking this play button. I hope I will see the gun correctly placed here at the hand. You can see the gun is placed, but the scale of the gun is not applied. The gun is too big now, not like doesn't look like how we did place it here initially when we create the prefab, but at least we already done it. We placed the gun at the hand of the player and it will move, and we can bring it everywhere. To fix the scale problem, I think the correct way is to unscale the player. Right now, as you can see, the player I have here is scaled down to 0.478, and it is not correct. Everything that we use in Unity should be everything that is important. I mean, they should be scaled at 1 unit, at 1 like this, not more than 1 or less, unless we are working with a static object like cube or any other objects. So if I reset the scale of this player to 1 and hit play button, let me see how the gun will be scaled. Now the gun is too small, and it is correct. The correct size of the gun is like this. Alright, and I think this is the correct way to use the character. Yeah, you can see the problem with jump. It didn't jump correctly, but you know you can fix it if you are following this tutorial. Forget about it. And okay, that is the way to place the gun at the hand of the player. But that is not all the thing that we need to do. It's just one thing. We need to do the rest, which is to place the correct weapon into the hand of this player. Let's say we are done testing this spawn weapon function, and I'm going to delete this unnecessary old code. Now, how to call this function? Because I was testing it, I called the function here at the start. So I need to remove it here from start, and then I will need to call this spawn weapon whenever I got a new weapon. Where is the function that is related to weapon pickup? The weapon pickup is here on the trigger enter. On trigger enter, this one, pickable. So the correct way to call the function probably here inside this block. So I paste it here, and then what is the next thing? I will for the sake of simplicity, I need to copy and paste this prefab gun text. I paste it here, prefab gun, and let me delete this one. No, this one, another gun. Let me remove it, and here inside the script I will add a string parameter to the spawn weapon, string wname. I will copy the wname variable, then place it here, and here at this part I will type the call game object name. I place it here. Now I'm going to reset my game, and I will try to pick up this gun, and it should be placed right at the hand of the player after we pick it up. Here we go. Now we have it on our hand. Okay, you know the gun is too small, so we need to scale it up, but that is not a big problem. So far we did instantiate the gun from resources folder to the hand of the player, and I will do the fixing, for example fixing the scale of the objects in this game and the position of this camera. It is too low. I will fix everything and get back to you at my next video, and probably my next video is about how to add an aim button and how to add aiming animation of the character. Then I'm going to talk about I will talk about how to fire a bullet of the gun that we have. So much thing that we need to do, that I need to do. For example, to set up the weapon, how many bullet it has, and so on. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.